Gemini Omni and Google Flow just completely changed the AI game for UGC ads. Right now, this is by far the best and cheapest AI video generation tool that you can use for all kinds of things, like I said, UGC ads and just content creation. It beat out tools like Runway or Clean for like a few 4 seconds video. It's very cheap, like pennies on the dollar. And today I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to create these GC ads that is photorealistic, like maybe something like this, but instead of snapping, it's more or less like a ad that you can use to for organic growth on TikTok for your dropshipping brand. Let's start on by checking out the tool. Here's a tool on Google Flow where you can create the image and use it to create the videos. You can either use frames to generate the video, which we are going to do. I'm gonna show you now, 1 second. And then we have ingredients where you have to type in the prompt to completely generate the video. And you can use 9:16 or 16:9 and how many videos you wanna create and how long they are going to be and the different models that you can use. But for this example, we're gonna use stick by 10 seconds, frames, and to create the starting image, you could use creators, but it's worse since they use more AI voices that is more robotic. I'm gonna show you the quickest way and the easiest way to create the photorealistic ads. So let's go on to TikTok. As you can see, I already searched for UGC, which is what you should do to find the base frame as we're going to need. You can start on by finding a video, maybe this video. Just gonna basically take a screenshot of this video, just like that. Copy it and go to whatever tool you would like to do. We can use ChatGPT, for example. But you could use Gemini or any other model. You're gonna paste in the video, and then you're gonna type in, give me a JSON prompt to create, give me a detailed JSON prompt to create this image 1:1. Ignore all the buttons and text, and then click enter, and then we get the JSON prompt. For this, I recommend actually to use the Flow tool or the AI model to create the image. You could use Xfield. I'm gonna take 3. Use Pro. Stick with Pro. You could use 2 or 2 Lite, but since I have a Google Pro, it uses 0 credits. You could use Xfield to create the image, and then you have more models to pick on and try it for yourself. But for this, we're gonna stick with Google. We could also just stick with the Google Gemini to create the image or the JSON prompt. Let's see how this goes. And let's shoot. Okay, here we go. We could use this. What we're gonna do right now is we can search for a. Here we see the football match. We can search for Spain, or we could use this one. Copy the image. Then we can paste it right here. So we're gonna make it so the woman on the video wears the shirt, just to show, for example, you can change the clothes or anything that you want the UGC creator AI avatar to wear. But as you see now, she wears it. I think we just they're quite the same. Like even the faces is exactly, yes, the shirt has changed. We even got the two, and what I notice here is like the logo maybe changed. So we need to pick one of those to be most accurate. And then we can create the video start and then click to add. And then we can say, like, make her say, which you totally should do, subscribe and like. Let's see how this turns out. Search for like we could use like a no strip tool, like brand. See, or yes, we can use this. Okay, here we have the image. So we just like create this, that, then like also paste it in here. Let's see how this video turns out.
This is the best guide on YouTube. Like and subscribe to learn more about AI tools and on creating UGC ads.
Like it's perfect, natural speaking, and it's just amazing, ready to use. You just need to change what she says to whatever you want, and maybe like hold. Let's see if she can hold that product. Let's start by combining those two. Let's just pick this one. Add. Then we can say I make her say. See how this goes. See how this turned out.
This nose tape made me sleep so much better. Even my partner is happy now since I don't snore anymore. So we sleep so much better now.
Could even add something like this to the model to make it look even funnier. The red one, copy image.
This nose tape made me sleep so much better. Even my partner is happy now since I don't snore anymore. So we sleep so much better now.
Yeah, the copywriting weren't best since like we can see it's so much better, so much better. But let's see how this turns out. Let's see how this video turned out.
This nose tape made me sleep so much better. Even my partner is happy now since I don't snore anymore, so we sleep so much better now.
See, it's like perfect. So with this process, the requires are so low, like no expensive lighting gear, no hiring actor, no like we should basically just adjust the small things until you're happy with it, and then go forward with that, with the frame to video pipeline, which is the best way. I would recommend it to everyone that wants to like create some organic content. You can pump out this endless variation of high converting UGC ads for any like product in like just like a few minutes. Just take some time to find the source, but I hope like you have like the product of the image of the product that you want to use, and you just need to create like the avatar. Then you can just pump out this video. If you want like all the tools like the JSON prompts and everything that you need, and more like better prompts, just write in the comments, and I will like send the tools that you need to create this.